Hey guys, it's Tom from PC Clickers. How y'all doing? I just want to shoot you this short video here. Well, I hope it's short. It may not be, but want to discuss with you information about the team build we have for this program, as well as give you the tour of the back office and probably throw in some simple tricks and tips to help you build your business. For those of you who don't already know, we have a successful growing team build already for another program, and you can always reference my YouTube channel to see that one as well. This one is going to primarily focus on, oh, look at that, your Coinpressions 2 team is growing. I got to sign up already. That's actually the name of the program that I want to discuss with you, Coinpressions 2. Coinpressions 2 is the sister company to Coinpressions 1. However, I will be focusing solely on Coinpressions 2 for this, and that is what our team build is about, Coinpressions 2. I will have to reference Coinpressions later on to show you some things, but other than that, this is primarily focused on Coinpressions 2. Now, this is obviously my back office. I've been in less than 24 hours. I've already got 15 referrals already. Only one is free. I paid for a few of them already, and I'll show you how that works as I go along. First thing you're going to need to do is deposit funds. You hit the deposit funds, they'll take you to this screen. The payments, they accept Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and they also will accept Payza. Just know that with any of the deposit methods, the minimum is $5. And obviously, if you use cryptocurrency, you'll have to pay the transaction fees. If you use Payza, there's a $5 fee, which will be charged to cover the processor fee. But you just simply input the amount that you want to deposit, choose your method of how you want to deposit, and then click on the button. And they have some information here you might want to read and be aware of. The next thing you need to do, this is in regards if you wish to take part in our team build. As you can see here, the required minimum to deposit is $5, but we are asking that you deposit at least $6. You can always deposit more, but we suggest that if you wish to take part in a team build, you need to deposit at least $6. And here's why. We are going to be purchasing advertising positions in a 2x2 forced matrix cycler. Excuse me. The first thing you're going to want to do is buy yourself a $2 position. It's real simple. It already defaults to the $2 position. You'll have whatever money's in your purchase wallet, and then you can just simply click on the purchase button. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is click here, go to the prospector matrix, which is $4, and purchase a position there, and that covers your $6. And then, of course, be sure to get with our Facebook group. Make sure we have your link so we can get you added to our team rotator, which you will stay in our team rotator until you get 2 paid positions. Now, continuing with the back office tour, there's a transfer function here. This will allow you to transfer any earnings you have. Oh, looks like I got another $1.20 sitting there, and you can transfer it from your cash available wallet to your purchase wallet. Now, any money in this cash wallet here is withdrawable as long as you hit the necessary minimums. Another function they have is transfer to others. Here you're able to transfer funds to a fellow team member directly into their purchase wallet. It will not go to the cash wallet. It has to go to the purchase wallet. You might want to use this to help somebody out. For example, one of my team members wanted to pay it forward for another team member and asked if I had the funds in my account. And I obviously know this person quite well. I didn't have the funds in my account at the time, but if I did, I would have happily sent it to her so that she can get her team member in, because I happen to know who that team member is, and I know she's a good team member to have on the team. So that might be an occasion you might want to use this function. Direct referrals. Like I said, I've only been in less than, I've been in more than 24 hours, but I only started promoting it yesterday. And I've got 16 referrals already, most of which are already paid. she's new. That must be that one from that email that just popped up. Hello, Debbie. I think I know who you are. But this is where you see your direct referrals. More importantly, another function of this screen is the pay it forward function. Let's say, for example, I wanted to pay it forward to one of my free members. Uh, I know I have $2 in that account. I can always just hit this PIF button. It'll take me to the screen here, and I can purchase for them a position in the matrix, the stage 1 matrix. And then once I've purchased that position for them in the stage 1 matrix, I can also purchase them a position in the stage 2 matrix. Just to show you something here, this girl here, my business partner, she's already signed up for a couple of them. So I can get her all the way up, it looks like, to the trader matrix if I wanted to buy her a position. So that, like I said, it shows you your direct referrals and shows you whether or not they're paid and allows you to pay it forward. You also can see if they have any members in their downline already. And this will show you the information whether they're paid or free. And again, if you know who these people are and you have a rapport with them, you've done business with them before, and you want to help out your teammate, again, you can pay it forward. Matrix positions. These are all the matrix positions that you currently have. This will show how many people are on each level. Remember, this is a 2x2 matrix, so you will always have 2 on your first level at most, and then 4 on your next level. And then, of course, once you get your 4, you will cycle and get a free position in the next stage up, as well as additional minor matrices. You can expect to see in the future tons of these matrices here, the minor matrices and the prospector matrices, due to the nature of how everything works. Withdraw, everyone's favorite function. You go ahead and this is where you make your withdrawal. Shows minimum payment or minimum withdrawal amounts. There is no minimum for Bitcoin, but there is a transaction fee involved with coin payments, which is who they use. So keep that in mind. It shows you what the current fee is to withdraw, and you will have to pay that from out of your withdrawal. So if you requested $10, oh, there's a fee of $9.87 or 83 cents. So you only go get 17 cents. So it's always good to let that build up. Or, like I said, you can transfer it to your purchase wallet and purchase more positions, PIF other members in, things like that. Earning history. Every time you earn a commission, it'll show here. Your withdrawal history, obviously. Your deposit history. Promotional center, where you get your banners and links and whatnot, which is pretty much standard. Marketing funnel setup. If you are a little more tech savvy and you have an autoresponder for any of these 5 autoresponders, you can set up your information there, and that will tag it to your autoresponder, and you can use your autoresponder there. To go add, if you happen to have a website of any type, you can add these little widgets to your website or your blog or whatever, and you'll have something that appears like this. Here, add Coinpressions is not clickable, but once you put it on your website, this will become a clickable item, and that is tied to your referral link. So anyone who clicks on that from your website or blog could possibly be your referral over here as well. The product is placing advertising. You will place ads here, and here's where I was referring to referencing Coinpressions. When you go to place an ad, all ads are placed through the main company, Coinpressions, and that nice big red toggle button will come up. You click on that, it'll take you to there, and then you can just slide down here to the ads, place ad section, and place your ads. That's one of the reasons why I'm choosing this program. Like I said, this will make a good advertising source, especially for the other team build that we are doing. That's one of the reasons why I did this. You can submit a testimonial, submit your profile information. I'm not going to click on that because I don't want to give my personal information away. But in the profile section is where you will add your wallets for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin so you can get paid, as well as your Payza address. Here you'll get your sponsors information. Here, well, if you live in the United States, guess what, guys? You got to pay tax on any earnings you make. They will let you withdraw up to $599, no problem. But once you hit the $600 withdrawal mark, they're not going to pay you unless you actually have this form already on file with them. It's real simple. You can just go here, download it, print it, scan it, and send it to this email address. If you don't have a way of scanning it, you can download it, print it, and then mail it to their address there in Texas. This is a US-based company, obviously. And then, of course, the help desk, if you have questions or problems. I had a couple of questions and issues. The help desk, their admin is very helpful. Literally took like less than 6 hours to get an answer to anything. And then, of course, the last function is log out. Like I said, we do have a team build in progress for this. Minimum purchase will be $6, one for a stage 1 matrix and then one for a stage 2 matrix. You are, of course, free to purchase more if you so desire. You're also free to, if you'd like to, you can pay it forward to, people that you know. I would recommend only do it to people that you know. Don't piff strangers, and just ask them to do the same thing. That'd be one way of building your team, is the pay it forward method. It works quite well in other businesses. It works quite well here as well. With that, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. If you have any other questions, feel free to post them in the comments below, and I will try to answer them. I will also put the link to the team build for this Coinpressions 2, as well as the link to our Facebook group. So you can reach me there as well at the Facebook group. I'm the admin there. So I will definitely see your request to join, and I will get you in there as soon as humanly possible. And there we have some great people that will help you work forward with your business. With that, I'm going to sign off. Y'all have a good day, and happy clicking.